Hey lovely, so let me tell you how I ended up making yam and egg sauce today. Those days when you are just too tired to think about anything fancy, but still you want something that is going to hit the spot. That was me today. I had a crazy week, meeting, business, running up and down the house. It wasn't easy. And I needed something that is comforting but not too stressful to make. I looked in my kitchen and I had all the essentials: yam, tomatoes, onions, some peppers. So I thought, why not whip up some, yam and egg sauce? It's one of those meals that's so easy, but it never disappoints. Plus, it reminds me home those days when my mom would just make it sharp, sharp, especially on lazy weekends. That's something about softness of yam that with the rich egg sauce and spicy, it hits differently. So yeah, that's how I ended up making some yam today. Chopping up some fresh tomatoes, onions, frying them up and pairing them with soft boiled yam. Easy, and honestly, if you haven't tried eating yam and egg sauce before, I'm sure you are missing out. So this is how I fried my onions and went in with my ginger, garlic, onions, and then went in with my chopped tomatoes. Allow them to cook for a few minutes before I then went in with other ingredients. So guys, when you are making your egg sauce, please allow it to dry water a little bit. Do not add egg immediately you pour the tomatoes. If not, it will have this sour taste and might not come out that filling and yummy the egg sauce we know usually comes out to be. So this is me adding salt to my yam and plantain. When you're cooking yam and plantain, you add little sauce. Guys, this will come out so nice. Anyways, the tomatoes are getting dried, but I'd not allow them to be very, very dry. If it's too dried, it will still not be okay. It will not be perfect. This is me adding egg to the already dried tomatoes after I had added just salt and seasoning. For my own pattern of making yam and egg sauce, I add only fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, salt, seasoning. I don't play with ginger and garlic. If you have ever added ginger and garlic to your yam sauce, to your egg sauce, guys, please do well to tell me in the comment section how you feel about it. I'm sure you enjoyed it, and if you have not tried it, you'll be trying it after watching this video. Please do let me know in the comment section, okay? And if you are still watching to this point, thank you for watching, and thank you for, I know you subscribe and drop a comment for me. This is me trying to check if the yam was already done, and yeah, the yam was soft, very soft. This doesn't taste like new yam, honestly. I wonder where my husband got all this fine yam from. The yam came out very nice, and the sauce too came out very yummy. And you can see the colorful nature of my sauce because I added spring onions and green pepper. Please tell me if you also be adding it in your own yams, in your own egg sauce. Let's know how it's to come out. Guys, my kids do enjoy this, so I do hope this video helped. And tell me if you've been enjoying it, if you've been making it, if your kids like it. Of course, mine do like it. Even my husband likes it. Myself is my best, and very easy to make. Very, very easy. Good for that lazy weekend or any day you feel you are out of what to make for the house. Thank you for watching, and bye.